Brosis, it's your girl, Rosa naman. And for today's video ay turok sa inyo yung cherry on top ng beanie. So, bago tayo mag-umpisa, is-mirrored ko yung video na to. Okay, so first step is naka-open yung kamay nyong ganito. So, open na ganyan, then cross, then open, open. Okay, so bounce, bounce yan. Single, single, double, double. Okay, so next is 1, 2, 3, then tak, tak. Okay, so yung kamay nyo is nandito sa waist, and itong right hand nandito sa side ng head nyo, then bow, then up. Okay, so down, up. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so yung inyong leg naman, or legs, is unang magbe-bend itong right leg, then left, then right, then left. Okay, so right, left, right, right, left, right, tak, tak. So, counting tayo, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
It's your birthday, I'll repeat, birthday, I'll repeat, yeah.
Okay, so next step naman is nakaganto yung inyong kamay. Okay, so yung middle finger nyo nakatouch siya sa thumb nyo. Okay, so una is down, then up, then cross, tak, pitek. Okay, so down, up, cross, open, pitek. Okay, so yung inyong legs naman, una is right. Okay, so naka-tiptoe kayong ganyan. Right, then left. Okay, right, then left, then cross, tak, tak. Okay, so countings muna tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, after nyan is, iikot nyo yung inyong right hand dito sa taas. Okay, so from left to right. Okay, so yung inyong left leg is, iakbang nyo siya dito sa left side. Tak, tak. Okay, so right yung kamay, then left yung leg, and i-slide nyo pa ganyan yung inyong kamay, or left arm dito sa right chest, papunta dito sa left chest. Okay, so 1, then hakbang yung right leg, tak, okay, so right, left, tak, okay, so yung inyong kamay, itong right hand nandito naka-close, then tak, tak, okay, so open nyo siyang ganyan, and yung chest nyo, magpa-pop siya, okay, so pagka-open ito, i-up nyo yung chest nyo, then down, okay, so tak, mabilis lang, okay, so 1, 2, 3, pop. Okay? So, countings tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step naman is iakbang nyo yung inyong right leg, then left. Okay? Right, left. Okay? So, yung hakbang nyo is pa-slant or parap dito sa right side. Right, then left. Okay? So, yung kamay nyo naman, left, right. Okay? So, nakaturo siya, and papunta siya dito sa right side, then ito naman, papunta sa left side. Okay? So, naka-cross na ganyan. So, 1, 2, then, gawa lang kayo letter U. So, yung chest nyo medyo magaganon, and yung inyong butt. Okay? So, parang pa-wave, down. Tak, down. Okay? So, 1, 2, wave, down. Okay, so after naman yan, ikot nyo yung inyong kamay dito. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, tak, tak. Okay, so wave lang kayo dito, then left side. Okay, so yung inyong hips naman, tak, tak, tak. Okay, so papunta sa left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, so ikot nyo lang din yung inyong kamay. Okay? So, counting tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
If you want the spice, I can turn the heat up.
Okay, so next step naman, after nung paganto, so magka-count pa kayo dyan ng 2 counts. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so una is slant yung inyong right leg. Okay? So, naka-slant siya dito sa right side. And ito naman naka-straight na ganito. Or mas angat yung hip niya dito. Okay? So, 1, 2. Bali, 3 counts to if isasama yung sa last part. Okay? So, 1, 2, then, haharap kayo dito sa left side and yung inyong right hand or right arm yung ipupunta nyo dito sa left side. Okay? So, down kayo, down, then pataas. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, pagka 3, 4, yung inyong left hand nandito sa waist nyo. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, then tuck. Okay? So, pagka 4, ipupunta nyo lang yung inyong kamay ng naka-point na ganito and papunta dito sa right side ng head nyo. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, then tuck, ikot. Okay? So, tuck, tuck. Parang pa-wave na ganyan, then tuck. Okay? So, after nyan, ikot, tuck. Okay? So, ikot nyo lang siya sa harap, then palikod, tuck. And after nyan is, open nyo yung kamay nyo, then tuck. Okay? So, padahan-dahan na close yan. Okay? So, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So, pagka 7, yung ulo nyo is, papunta siya dito sa right side, pa ganyan. Parang i-wave nyo lang siya. So, tuck, tuck, then down. Okay? So, counting tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step naman, after nung pag-down ng kamay nyo ganito, is ibibend nyo yung inyong right leg and naka-point or naka-tiptoe yung inyong paa. Okay, so 1, 2, okay. So pagka-ikot ng kamay nyo is ibibend nyo yung inyong right leg and yung inyong left leg naka-bend din, pero nakaangat yung inyong hip. Okay, so 1, then straight. Okay, so bend, straight, then up, down. Okay? So, yung pag-up ng kamay nyo is nakaganto yung kamay, kagaya sa first or sa second part. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, pagkaangat ng inyong kamay na ganto is ibibend nyo ulit yung katawan nyo. 1, 2, then bend, tuck. Okay? So, yung inyong left hand, nandito na siya dito sa inyong elbow. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So, medyo ibabounce nyo siya yung inyong right hand. Okay? So, bounce, bounce, then ikot, tuck. Okay? So, yung inyong kamay nakaganto pa rin and dito na siya sa left side. Okay? So, galing dito, 1, 2, 3, 4, then bounce. Bounce, then ikot, tuck. Okay? So, iakbang nyo yung inyong right leg, papunta dito sa harap. Then, pagka down, itong left leg nyo is naka-open siyang ganyan. Okay? So, counting tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step naman, after nung part na paganto, is naka-bend na kayong ganyan, and 1, 2. Okay, so iangat nyo yung hip nyo, tuck, down, up, down. Okay, so yung inyong kamay, pagkaangat ng hip nyo is ito pababa, then up, baba, up. Okay, so opposite sila. So 1, 2, then after nyan is ilalagay nyo yung inyong right hand dito sa right side and yung inyong right leg hakbang dito, then talikod. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, then after nyan, lagay nyo yung kamay nyo dito sa likod or sa waist nyo, then down, up. Okay? So, yung pag-down nyo is from left to right. Okay? So, 1, 2, then ikot, tuck. Okay? So yung inyong kamay is angat itong right arm, then tuck. Okay? So, tuck, tuck. Okay? So, counting tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. so next step naman, di ba nakapwesto na ng ganito? So, yung hip nyo is, ida-down nyo siya dito sa right side. Okay, so right, up, left, right, up, left. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so yung inyong kamay naman, first 2 counts is nakababa siyang ganito. So, 1, 2, then tak, tak. Okay, so nakahawak ulit or magkadikit ulit yung inyong middle finger and yung inyong thumb. So, nakaharap siya dito sa inyo, then talikod. Okay, so tak, tak. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, after nyan is, gawin nyo lang yung helicopter na move. Okay, so naka-Y yan, then tak, tak. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, tak, tak. Okay, so nakatouch yung inyong kamay dito sa, kahit hindi naman nakatouch, basta nakagantong pesto, then open, down. Okay, so iwalay nyo lang siyang ganyan. Okay, so counting style, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step naman is i-close nyo yung hands nyo. Okay, so unang itataas is yung right, then left, then tak. Okay, so 1, 2, open, then itatap nyo siya or parang i-appear nyo yung isa nyong kamay dito sa left side. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, tap. Okay, so yung hip nyo naman, 1, 2, 3, tap. Okay, so una is dito sa left side, left, then right, then left, left. Okay, so mai-stack siya dito or mag-i-stay. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so countings na tayo, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, then after nyan, 5, 6, then 7, 8. Okay, so iba-bounce nyo lang siya. Very slight lang yung pag-bounce kasi pag OA tingnan. Okay, so 1, 2, then ikot, down. Okay, so counting style, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step naman is dun na sa part na cherry on top. Medyo iba lang yung move nito sa pinaka-last part. Okay? As in, very slight lang. Okay, so counting na tayo dito. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, that's it for today's video. Kung natunan nyo to, just click the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to be updated. And don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. And see you guys on my next video. Bye!